Hello my beautiful people of the world, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing something that probably shouldn't do, but I should do. It's needed. You already saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. It's needed. I put my hair in braids last night and I put some coconut oil in it to try to make it a little healthier. Wow. It does look shiny and nice, which actually hasn't looked shiny and nice in a minute. Y'all know that my hair is shit. So fried, like just look at, yeah. So I'm going to cut it. It will cut. I'm going to cut it. I feel like that coconut oil did kind of help, but it's still bad. The ends are scary as fuck. I have been putting this off because some people just don't like the short hair look, you know what I'm saying? And I've been trying to grow it out. I don't care. I'm done. Granted, I may not cut it super short, but I'm going to cut a few inches off, like maybe that much. I'm just going to try to grow it out. I've never actually had my hair super long anyways, so I want to grow it out. And I never stick to anything I ever do in life, so I would like to stick. I would like to try and commit to growing my hair out. However, I need to cut the ends off because they're so dead. They keep breaking every time I brush them. Watch. I don't even need to brush it, just wait. There's some hair in that hand, and there's some hair in that hand. Like, that's not okay. Now it's kind of curled, and I'm like, maybe I shouldn't have done the whole braid thing. Like, when you feel my hair, you can literally feel like how thin it is. Thin, 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 oh, fried thick. Like, it just automatically gets thicker as you go down. Should not be like that at all. So, I think we're gonna cut off. About that much. That's a lot. I really want to just grow out some luscious locks, but I really need to cut off the ends, and by cutting off the ends, that's actually going to help it grow more because then it's not going to break. Because if it continues just breaking at the bottom, it's never going to get longer, you feel? I think I'm going to put my hair in some hair ties. I'm like super nervous about this. You can see a short strand there. It ain't supposed to end there. It's supposed to end there. I'm just going to go for it. You know, that's how we do on this channel. We just go for shit. And we just have no regrets, that's all. I'm super nervous. Ooh, I'm so scared because I don't know how much I really want to cut off. I know I need to cut these ends off though, so that's where we're gonna start. We're just gonna start with this, okay? Here we go. These scissors suck. That's not bad. That looks so much healthier than this already. I'll take it out of the hair tie, see how it looks, see how it feels, but let me cut this side first. And if I want to cut off a little more, I just fucking might, because I don't give a fuck anymore. Okay, so right at this curl pretty much. I really shouldn't have curled my hair, it's fucking me up. See how it's like still just super tangled right there? I'm like, I don't want that shit. See, with it being curled, I can't tell like how even it is either, unfortunately. Alright, let's take it out and see what we got going on. Well, it's definitely, obviously, shorter. I don't know. How's it look? You tell me. I don't know. Look at that. I don't know. The curliness is really throwing me off I should not have done that. I honestly think I'm gonna straighten it real quick. I'm gonna put some product in it, I'm gonna straighten it, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll see where it's at and what it looks like, because the curl is really throwing me off. I feel like there are some pieces that still could be cut a little bit. Okay, so I straightened it. So that way, well, you can see what's going on a little better. It still looks like shit. You can kind of see like how it looks like pink here, and then it turns into this weird like brown, orangey, peach, yellow, blonde. I don't know what it is. Like at first it was kind of like a nice rose gold. Like you can see some strands are like pretty rose gold looking, but this from the pool has just been a shit. So obviously you can see there are some longer strands and there are some actual like random longer strands. So I need to cut this. See how that's like longer, but that also goes in the back, so I'm like, does it really matter? I don't know. I don't fucking know. I'm so done with this. I am just so done with today already. If you can't tell, I'm not in the greatest of moods today. Had a weird dream, but what else is new there? I just want to chop it off. I know it's not going to be appreciated. Like, I'm contemplating to take that much more off, which is not that much. You can just like tell it's dead. Like it needs to be cut. My hair seriously looks so bad.
Okay, so for whatever reason my sound gave out in this clip of the video, of course. What else could go wrong, am I right? So here's me cutting another about inch off of my hair and trying to even it out, and we will soon see if I evened it out, but yep, obviously not. Trying to fix it, it just keeps getting shorter somehow. Oh man, no idea what I'm saying. Sorry guys, I just want to chop it off, that's what I'm saying there. Yep.
Like, look how choppy it is. Like that, you see that like curl in there? That much still needs to be chopped off. Like, it should literally just be like that to be the healthiest. But, you know, we're trying to keep it long, so, because we're a girl and we're trying to keep it long, because that's what you're supposed to do, apparently, is what it is. It looks shitty as hell. Oh, that's just fantastic. You see that? I know this is a look some people go for, but, not that choppy. Wow. This needs to be cut right there. That's what we got going for us, and yeah, I'm just not too happy about it. I'm really sick of the color. I think that's what's throwing me off first and foremost. I would really like to just dye it all back brown, like a deep, rich, dark, nice brown. And I don't want to damage my hair even more, even though dyeing it is not the same as bleaching it, so it might even coat it in a little bit and help it, but you know, we don't have hair dye today, so we just cut it and not very happy, and that's fine. It's fucking fine. Like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed today's video, because I didn't, and I will see you next one. Bye guys!